Okay, we're at question 13 of the additional maths paper. This question, we are going to be finding the nature of the points of the curve, and we're also going to be finding, firstly, the gradient of each point as well. So to find the gradient, we are going to dy by dx. And this is every single time, okay? So dy by dx, the power comes in front, so 3x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 14x over 2 plus 10. Technically, that would be x, the 1 minus 1, which is gives x to 0, which we know would cancel out. So I'm just going to rewrite this all out. So that gives me x squared minus 7x plus 10. Now we want to find out the points where it crosses that x-axis, and when it crosses the x-axis, y actually equals 0. So essentially, we're going to say x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Now, if you don't know that already, just keep that in mind every time you do one of these questions. So x minus 5, x minus 2 would be things, which means that x is equal to 5 or 2. Now, the next part is the nature of the points. To find the nature of the points, we have to differentiate again. So we're going to d2y by dx, again, and dx squared, sorry. So 2x to the minus 7, and that's that. To find the nature of the points, we're going to put in now 5 and 2. Should be and 2, really, shouldn't it? There we go. That makes me feel, that does not make me feel better. Bear with. It's a Friday. And 2, there we go. If we have it larger than 0, it becomes a minimum point. If we have it less than 0, it becomes the maximum point. So it's kind of the opposite of what you think it's going to be. So let's put them in. So when x equals 5, we've got 2 times 5, take away 7, which means equals 3. So we know this is a minimum point. And then when x equals, I have a feeling I'm going to write over my answer things. I'm just going to put that out and write min next to it. Min. X equals 2. We're doing 2 times 2, take away 7, and that's going to give us minus 4. Minus 3, can't count. There we go. And that is going to give us a max. Ta-da! Okay, this question is now finished because I found the 2 stationary points and I'm done. So if we look at the final answer for this, we have differentiated firstly, so that gives us our x squared minus 7x plus 10, so that's our first mark. We've equaled it to 0 and solved that, so that's going to give us our second mark and our third mark by there. With the answers of x equals 2 and 5 gives us our fourth mark. Differentiating it again, we get our fifth mark, and then finding our maximum and minimum points. And there we go. So well done if you managed to get all 7.